Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Airbnb listing, whether you need to update your property description, add new photos, or tweak your amenities list. Keeping your listing accurate and appealing is essential for attracting guests and managing your hosting experience effectively. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading to google.com. In the search bar, type Airbnb login and hit enter. From the search results, click on the first official Airbnb link to navigate directly to www.airbnb.com. This ensures you're accessing the legitimate site where you can securely manage your hosting account. Once you're on the Airbnb homepage, sign in using your username and password. After logging in, look toward the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the option to switch to hosting. Click on this to enter your host dashboard, the central hub for managing all your property listings and hosting activities. Now that you're in the hosting interface, direct your attention to the left side menu and click on Listings. This will display all the properties you currently have listed on Airbnb. From here, select the specific listing you want to edit by clicking either its title or the accompanying image. This action opens up the detailed view for that particular property. On the listing page, locate and click the Edit button, which may also appear as Listing Editor depending on your interface. This opens the full range of editing options available for your property. You'll see various sections you can modify, including title, summary, photos, description, amenities, and more. Scroll through these options and choose the section you need to update. For example, if you want to refresh your listing title or enhance your description to better showcase your property, simply click on that section, type your updated information, and click Save after making each change. This ensures your edits are immediately stored and won't be lost if you navigate away. If you need to update your property's address, navigate to the Location section and then click Address. Here, you can edit the street address and other location details. Just remember, Airbnb only allows address changes before your first booking is made. If you've already had guests, you'll need to contact Airbnb support directly for assistance with address modifications. Before finalizing everything, take a moment to review all the changes you've made. Scroll through each section you updated and double-check for accuracy. This step is crucial to ensure your listing presents your property professionally and contains no errors that might confuse potential guests. Thanks for watching.